The proceeds we succeeded to arrest at border areas in Ogun State, precisely bordering Ogun of Benin Axis. It's just 9 lorries that we brought here, 6 buses, and 11 Hilux vehicles. We cannot continue to allow them to be thriving in the trade of smuggling. It's affecting our economy. It's affecting the stability of Naira vis-a-vis exchange rate, which me and you know. We have local production of rice. We have local rice mills. And they are okay, very, very nutritious. But you cannot be allowing the so-called businessmen stroke smugglers bringing this type of thing. This one is from Dubai, specially packed for CM Cotonou, Benin. You don't pay tax, you don't pay anything, and all these prohibited items are not made for this country. So, and that's why at federal operation in the southwest, we shall be up and doing. And we can assure you that we are not going to allow them to survive it.